Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at the sensitive area of death or fatal accident compensation claims. I'll also be going into how you can speak to someone from a law firm completely free of charge in order to see what your options are when it comes to bringing a claim of this nature. If you find this video helpful, please do hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Let me start by saying we really do believe that no amount of compensation can truly replace a life. Whilst dealing with the grief of losing a loved one, the last thing you want to be worrying about is money. But it's important to understand that here in England and Wales there's a government cap of a mere £12,980 award when claiming for wrongful death. This is known as the Bereavement Award. Thankfully, we believe a life is worth more than that, so we're able to offer advice on how to obtain further compensation, which should put you in a better financial position to help deal with your loss and the impact that losing a loved one brings. As previously mentioned, the government caps the Bereavement Award for wrongful death at a mere £12,980. So I'm going to go over some of the steps that you can take to ensure that you recover everything to which you are entitled. When taking these steps into consideration, in some cases, clients can claim over £500,000. One thing that is important to note is that only a spouse/civil partner or a dependent child can claim a bereavement award. If you don't fall into either of those categories, you will not qualify. However, all is not lost. If you can prove that you were financially dependent upon the person that has passed away, you may be able to claim what is called a dependency award. If successful, this means that you'll be able to recover compensation for the loss of the main breadwinner, for instance. When considering bringing a fatal accident compensation claim, it's important that you're aware under what circumstances you can claim for. These can be road traffic accidents, accidents at work or in a public place like in the street or in a shop, gym, theme park, or even on holiday. The important thing to remember is that the accident must have been caused by the negligence of someone else. From a practical point of view, we would advise you that you keep track of any expenses that have incurred as a result of the accident, including funeral costs. We have specially trained staff who offer a completely free, no obligation consultation where we'll talk through matters sensitively and confidentially. It would help us to assess your claim if you have the accident details to hand and also any earnings and information for the person that has passed away. Don't worry though, we will only ask for the briefest of details in the initial consultation, as we know how hard it can be to go over things again. Finally, this area of law is complex. Calculations for the losses you're entitled to are tricky and include things like future loss of earnings going all the way up to retirement age, plus any loss of benefits like pension payments. There are numerous other things that may be able to be claimed for. Some may be very specific to your individual circumstances, so it's important that you seek the assistance of a fatal accident specialist that has experience in dealing with claims of this nature, like legalexpert.co.uk. You can contact us on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service on our website. We are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And if we believe that we're able to assist you in your claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there's no upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.